Good morning, everyone. How are you all doing? Welcome to my channel. This is Misty here, and I am here to share a beautiful kit that my sister Christy has made. I will have her link down below to her channel. I also will have the Mac Jewelry Shop link down below as well. She had made this kit, and she's like, "You want to make a journal?" And I'm like, "Sure. Why not?" And I've been loving some of these papers that she's been making, so that is what I'm going to show you today, and then I will put it together and share that with you guys as well. So yes, we are fancy. We have Walmart bags we put them in, which I am not going to complain. So here is the kit, and let me show you the papers, and then I'll show you all the embellishments. So she has this doily mat that goes in it, which I will probably use this as the cover, part of the cover. That is so pretty. I like that. And then here is her ephemera, some mason jars that she has done. That's going to look awesome. So I got 2 sheets of each thing. So there's 2 of these beautiful mason jars. She did 2 of the tags, and I just have to cut out around. A little black showed up. I told her, I said, "Hey, that's not a big deal, man. You can cut around that." So I've got 2 sheets of tags, and here is her papers. Look at that. How beautiful is that? Guys, she's been doing some pretty awesome papers. So I have 2 sheets of them. Look at this one. This is so pretty. Look at that. How pretty is that? This is gonna, I can't wait to put this together. And then here is this one here, and there's 2 sheets of this one as well with the beautiful lace, and it's got pink in it. It is gorgeous. And this one here is another favorite of mine, and she has a lace background there, and then she has these beautiful ribbon roses and some angel wings. And then she did this one here with some baby's breath, or sprays, whatever you want to call them. I call them baby's breath. So this is beautiful. And she named this, and I can't remember the name. I'm sorry, sister. I know I'm a loser. And look at this one. Gorgeous papers, you guys. Absolutely beautiful papers. So there are the papers. And then she made some envelopes. Here's one of the envelopes she's made. How pretty is that? And then this is going to be like a little booklet, I think, a little flip out. But she's got this beautiful pink spray on there. And then she did this little envelope here. And it's got a button as a closure, so you just kind of lift up on that. And you have a little envelope here. Oops. Oops. Little envelope. Very pretty. And then she sent some little embellishments. It's got some pink bows with flowers on them. There we go. And some beadwork. And then she sent a lot of these gems here. Some purple, grays, and pink, some whites. So you have all these little gems here to use as embellishments in the kit. She sent a handmade flower. Very pretty. She sent some lace, and let me show you this lace. She sent some of this lace here that goes with it, and she sent some of this lace, and it's got some pink. This is beautiful too. Love this lace. And she sent this bookmark. It's a like a choker, but I think I might use this as a closure. So it's got that beautiful butterfly. Hold on. This butterfly, and then it's got some bling on it. So that is probably going to be my closure. So here is the kit again. Sister, you did an amazing job on this kit. I cannot wait to use this. All the digis, the ephemera, all of it. Such a beautiful kit. If you're interested in this kit, go on over to Mac Jewelry Shop. Snatch you up these here. You can print out, and I believe she said that envelopes and lace and all of that comes with it. I will make sure, but I'm sure it does. I think so. Yeah, I think that's what she said. Anyway, go over to Mac Jewelry Shop. Check this out, you guys. An amazing kit. An amazing price, too. I think she has it for like 10 or 15. So, we're 13. It's priced over there. I know. I should know this. But I don't. Don't tell her that. Thanks, guys, for being here. I hope you enjoyed this. If you have, give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment, you guys. Go over and check out this awesome kit. I'm going to be putting this journal together. I cannot wait. This is beautiful, beautiful stuff. So, thanks, guys. Have a great day. And I'm going to leave you, as I always do, with a goodbye, a God bless, and I'll see y'all again soon.